Hey everyone, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be showing you a quick pictorial with a couple of maybe video clips to show you guys some of the benefits of my oil. I know a lot of you don't follow me on Instagram, so you don't get to see this, so I thought about putting something together for those who are on Facebook and YouTube. This oil not only grows and thickens your hair, it is also very good for eczema. It is very good for tight braids. It heals scalp abrasions from strenuous hairstyles, little cuts, bruises from having braids too tight, things of that nature. So just sit back and enjoy. So this first testimonial here is from someone who was, I guess maybe she was following me on YouTube and then found me on Instagram. I'm not sure, but anyhow, the point is, she mentioned to me that she had been, trying these different vendors and people that make their own growth oil, and that nothing had seemed to work. So I guess she was giving me the last try. So here she is sending me a picture of what she looked like before she purchased my growth oil. We did have a conversation back and forth. You can pause the video and read that if you want. And to my surprise, 1 month later, I got a DM from her, and I was shook to the core at her progress. She was very happy, and I was happy with her, so happy that I was moved by tears because God is just so good. She did mention to me that she had this patch in her head for a whole year. Well, God took exactly a month to start healing it. Well, not start, to heal it, because as you can see, she has very much new growth. She did mention that she was using it 3 times a week, which is very excellent, and that she was warming it up, which is something that I used to do myself when I, first was putting the oil in my hair. But yeah, she had very amazing results. This little girl here, as you can see, her mother has here 3 weeks with using it, and you can see the thickness in the bottom picture versus the top pictures. Now this little jewel right here, this is when she first came to me, and her hair was very short, it was patchy, and it was taken out due to eczema. I sold her mom a bottle of my oil, and I braided her hair. Once I braided her hair, the first month, this is the growth that she got, guys. Extremely, extremely amazing. Now here she is with month 2, and look at how much new growth she has, guys. Like, she can get little tiny ponytails in her hair, and this is just 2 months. Now I am braiding her hair again, and I put a little jam on it just so that I can stretch it out to its max and show you guys exactly what 2 months of new growth looks like with using the growth oil. Okay, so now here I wanted to put my growth oil to the test and see what else it could do besides grow and thicken hair. So my daughter wanted to have her hair straightened, and she's very tender-headed, so I did not want to take her to the Dominican, so I told her to let me see if I can flat iron it. Well, she suggested that I put some of my oil, and I told her at first, I'm like, why would I do that? It's going to be, heavy and weigh it down. But she is determined to only use my products when her hair is being done. So I went ahead And I put it on there and I was shook to the core to see how nice her hair looked. Look at this, guys. It totally looked like she had a silk press. And all I did was just use a little bit of my oil and my little cheap flat iron from Walmart. Now this one is another one of my personal favorites. This little jewel right here, I saw her and I asked her mom, could I pray for her hair? I prayed for her hair and I told her about my growth oil and I asked her to trust me. She purchased it from me the very next day. This little lady here suffers from eczema and it takes her hair out and it causes her hair to be very itchy. She gets little white patches where it dries her hair out. And of course, where her hair comes out, it starts to bead up because it comes out. So her mom has been using it for 3 weeks prior to the results that I am getting ready to show you. Keep in mind and remember how her hair looks right now. Remember her scalp and everything. Now here we are, guys. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Here she is now. 3 weeks later. Just 3 weeks. Look at her scalp, guys. That's nothing but God. It's full of life. Please find the white patches. Find the white patches. They are absolutely gone, guys. And that patch she had at the bottom, it's gone. Her scalp looks so nice, healthy, vibrant. It looks very, very good, guys. Okay, guys, so I am wrapping it up. Remember, if you want to get in touch with me about my growth oil, it is only sold via Instagram. So please add me on Instagram at Tayshawn Miller 1 and DM me if you have any questions about the oil. Thanks for watching.